Wow, Dr. Baby Shark. Hello, my artist friends. How are you today? I'm so happy to be with you on this new art adventure. Are you ready? Let's dive in. One day, Daddy Shark wasn't feeling very well. His head hurt and he was so tired. A little red virus is sitting on Daddy Shark's head. Baby Shark said, "Oh no, Daddy Shark, you don't look good. But don't worry, I am a Dr. Baby Shark and I will help you." Mommy Shark said, "Dr. Baby Shark, can you help Daddy Shark?" Grandpa Shark said, "Oh no, he looks very sick." Grandma Shark said, "Oh dear, I hope he gets better soon." But Baby Shark said, "Of course. First, let me check his heartbeat." Baby Shark listens with a stethoscope. And he said, Your heart sounds good, but you have a fever." Daddy Shark said, "Oh no, what should I do?" Baby Shark saw the virus on Daddy Shark's head. He said, "Aha, I see the problem. There is a naughty little virus sitting on your head." The virus giggled, but Baby Shark frowned. Baby Shark said, "Time to fight this virus. First, let's give you some medicine and lots of rest." Daddy Shark felt happy again. "Wow, I feel so much better. Thank you, Dr. Baby Shark." Baby Shark said, "Yay! Mission complete. Always wash your hands and rest when you're sick." And the virus looked sad and disappeared. Mommy Shark said, "Hooray for Dr. Baby Shark." Grandpa Shark and Grandma Shark said, "Yay! Daddy Shark is healthy again." Wow, kids, wasn't that fun? Always take care of yourself when you're sick. Now, let's color the eyes black and make our lines darker. Yay! It's coloring time! For Dr. Baby Shark, let's use our yellow color. Yes, yellow! And for his mouth, let's use our red color. Good job, my friends! Let's color this part blue. And Baby Shark's stethoscope is going to be orange. Dr. Baby Shark is wearing a white coat, so we don't have to color that. Now let's color the chair. Let's use our green color. So fresh. For this part of the chair, I'm using a dark green color. And the wheels are green too. Now it's time to color Daddy Shark. Our poor Daddy Shark, which is blue. So, Dr. Baby Shark is yellow and Daddy Shark is blue. We color his face, body, tail, and fin. Good job, my friends! And we use our red color for inside of his mouth. Can you tell me what color can we use for his headband? I give you a hint. It's the stethoscope color. Very good, orange. Can you show me more orange in our coloring? Yes, Dr. Baby Shark's stethoscope and Daddy Shark's headband. Let's color the Daddy Shark's chair pink and red. And look at the virus. Bad virus. Let's color that purple. Let's color the screen orange, pink, and brown. Kids, what else do you like to add to Dr. Baby Shark's office? What about a clock on the wall? You can always draw. Finally, we add some shadings. Are we missing something? Of course! We need to pop some bubbles! Yay! Let's draw them! Ta-da! Excellent job, my friend! Wow! Baby Shark the doctor! Baby Shark has become a doctor! How interesting is that? One day, Pinky the fish was playing her favorite game, Jump and Splash, near Coral Reef Park. She was having so much fun, jumping high and splashing water everywhere. But, oh no! She jumped too high and bumped her head on a big rock. Ouch! Cried Pinky. Feeling scared, Pinky swam quickly to her best friend Baby Shark, who was also the smartest underwater doctor. Baby Shark greeted her with a warm smile and said, "Don't worry, Pinky, I'll take care of you." Pinky sat nervously on the little green chair as Baby Shark checked her with his special doctor tools. First, Baby Shark looked at the bump on Pinky's head. Then he said, this doesn't look too bad. You've just got a small boo-boo." Baby Shark carefully cleaned the bump and put a cute red bandage on Pinky's head. "All done," Baby Shark said proudly. "But you need to rest and take it easy for a while." Now you can color the eyes black like me, and you can make the lines of the drawing darker and fix any mistakes. Now it's time to color, my dears. Have you got your pencil colors? Let's get going. Let's start with the Pinky. Fish the Pinky, right? We're going to color her pink. Excellent job! Now let's color her fin and body. Take your time and color carefully. You can do it! Now, can you see the headband on her head? Yes, she's wearing a red headband. Let's color it. It's going to be red. For her mouth, we're going to use our dark red. So easy. Oh, for those drops of tears, let's use our blue color. Don't worry, Pinky. You're gonna be okay. Now let's go for a dark color for the germ on her head. You can use any color you want for this part. Now, let's use our green color for the chair. And finish the chair leg with orange. Now it's the Dr. Baby Shark's turn. Dr. Baby Shark has a yellow body. We always knew that, right? Yellow, just like the sun. Face, hand, body and tail. Kids, the doctor's clothes are white and don't need to be colored. But you can add a little gray shadow to the doctor's clothes. Let's use blue for the stethoscope and that special hat. Do you want to add some shadow? That's a great idea! Kids, what color is the doctor's chair? Great! It can be a light pink, a cheerful color for healing patients. Let's color the legs orange. Now for the final stage of our work, let's use gray and a little shadow to the painting. That's it! Excellent job! We succeed! If you also like Baby Shark, like the video and join us for more drawing videos and subscribe to our channel. See you next time! Bye bye!